Okay, I'm getting ready to go to VBS, and I really wanted to do an unboxing video before I left. That way I can do it while it's fresh on my mind. So those of you who saw my post yesterday, I got a package from Arbonne with a bunch of stuff, from makeup to some nutritional things, and I got these 2 kits. So I'm excited. I got a Healthy Living to Inside and Out box, and I got a Workout and Wash Up men's kit. Now this one I actually got for me because I actually liked the charcoal bar that's inside, but anyways, we'll talk about that when I get there. So some other things that I got that were really exciting was facial cloths. I'm actually really excited because I'm kind of lazy at night, and if I don't do a full face, but I need to wipe off my face, I don't want to do a full like scrub, water, everything, towel. I just like to wipe my face off and be done with it, throw it away, be done. So I'm really excited for these cloths, facial cloths. I also got setting spray, which is exciting because I never use setting spray, and while my makeup tends to last a while, every once in a while it's like I just want it to last a little bit longer, especially in the Florida heat. I mean, setting spray, big deal to keep your makeup in place and keep it lasting longer. I also got primer. That's also something I don't do as often that I really should, is use primer. And I hear good things about Arbonne's primer, so I'm excited. I'm excited to try that too. I also got some eyeliners. I got a black one called Carbon. I got a purpley one called Aubergine. I'm excited. Eyeliners are always fun, and mine are done. Actually, I'm like scraping the bottom of my pencil. And then I also got some blush because I typically use this pink blush, but I'm kind of getting tired of it. So I'm getting a purpley. It's called Merlot. The label looks red, but really it's a purple. It's a purple blush, Merlot. And I hear purple's very in, so I'm excited to introduce that into my makeup. Makeup regime. Just pulled my glasses right off. All right. Keep it moving. I also got eyeshadow, so I'm actually really excited because I don't have a grayish one, which this looks brown, but when I tried it on the samples, which were super helpful, oh my goodness, I had these samples that I used to like test on my skin because I just wasn't sure what they were gonna look like. It was incredibly helpful. So this one comes out on my skin like a little bit more gray, so I'm excited about that. It's called Monsoon. And then I also got another eyeshadow called Canyon, and this one's like a brownish red. So I'm excited about that one too because I have dark brown, and I have like super light, almost golden brown, but I don't have that in between like warm chocolatey brown. So that's it for the makeup and all those things. I also restocked up on Greens Balance because Lola Natty, one of our favorite Filipino ladies here in Jacksonville, she was like, I need Greens Balance, Karina, I ran out. And I was like, okay, wait, I think we ran out too, and we ran out of spinach. Darn it, we need some too. So both of us, we got some Greens Balance, which really just replaces that fruit and veggie content that you need in your diet. So yeah, so we put that in our shake, especially when we run out of spinach, because that's the thing. All right, on to the big stuff. These boxes, I'm super excited. So Arbonne has been doing this whole healthy living inside and out for a really long time, and I think they just said, let's embrace it. Let's just go ahead and embrace this whole concept that we have been doing for over 30 years. We have been focusing on healthy living both inside and out, and specifically they started with more skincare and cosmetics, but then they realized, hey, being healthy is more about that. It's also of what we put in our body and how we treat the rest of our body. So they came out with a nutrition line, which is what I got hooked on. So they decided, yeah, we're going to go ahead and embrace our personality and what we've been doing since forever. And we're going to give you guys a little sample box, so that you know all about Arbonne and get a feel for our healthy living inside and out culture. So I really like that. And actually it says on the front, your journey toward healthy living starts here, which is cute. Again, for me, it was all about the nutrition. So let's go ahead and unbox that. And first try. Knife safety, close it when you're done. My husband would be very proud. All right, healthy living inside and out. First glance. Ooh, very pretty. Okay, at a first glance, this is what it looks like. I flipped around this one around. It says health goals, check. Skin goals, check. Done and done. Hashtag 30 days to healthy. So this image, which I am in love with, it's actually on the catalog. This is the image you'll see on the paper catalog, which again, I love it. Just bright, colorful, pretty. But they give you a little welcome postcard. And then inside, the first thing, oh, sorry, we'll get to that. I just saw something that I just talked about. It says, here's what we're made of, and it just kind of breaks down all of the products. It looks like that you're getting in the box. Yep, so that's pretty cool. This, I am super excited about. This is samples of the eyeshadow. I was literally just talking about that. What are the odds? I cannot tell you how helpful these were because the images online, they're not always accurate to what it's going to look like in real person and on your skin tone. So I was able to use these on my skin. So I am super excited that they gave this to you guys because it was really helpful. They also gave you guys in these boxes 3 pomegranate fizz sticks, which for any of you guys who know, this is like an energy booster to the max. Love it. I actually have mine today. Citrus. I've got citrus in my bottle. Because VBS. I'm going to need that energy. There's also Digestion Plus. They give you 3 of them. And Digestion Plus, for those of you who don't know, it just has prebiotics, probiotics, and 11 different enzymes for your digestive health and gut health. So very cool. They give you 3 of those. They also give you some RE9 advanced skincare products. So it looks like they've got some restorative cream with SPF. They also give you, okay, restorative cream without SPF. They give you night repair cream, and they give you intensive renewal serum. They give you a little bit more restorative cream without SPF. And again, I'm not really sure actually if every box is the same. My guess is every box might be a little different. So I actually have an extra one that I really want to give away. I think I'm going to give it away during my Summer Grit series. So if any of you are following my Summer Grit series, please, please, please comment, tune in, because I might be doing a giveaway. So plug into that because you might be able to win a box with all these fun little goodies inside. And Corrective Eye Cream is the last RE9 Advanced product. Then they have, ooh, Rescue and Renew. That's pretty cool. So they give you some Rescue and Renew, and this one's just a detox jelly. And think about this as like the things you find in the spa to like rub your hands in or on your feet. So detox products. This one's detox jelly, but this is the Rescue and Renew product. And another Rescue and Renew, they give you 2 detox jellies. So that's pretty cool. And I might be using, because some of these things I have, like the RE9 Advanced, so I might be giving some of those away too as giveaways. Because this is my box. I'm not gonna lie, I wanted one for me. And then they also give you the Arbonne Clear Future, which is focused specifically on anybody who has like acne, heavy acne problems, or they just really want to get rid of their acne. Sometimes it's not just heavy, it's just, you just want to get rid of it. So, Corrective Acne Treatment Solution. So they give you a piece of that, a little sample of that for the Clear Future. And they give you Deep Pore Acne Cleanser. So, again, these are just some of the things that you can get. And then the last thing, because we're almost empty, the last thing is they give you 2 Arbonne Intelligence, just the Genius Nightly Resurfacing Pad and Solution, which I actually really like these. They're almost like toner and a cleanser, but really it's just to like kind of exfoliate and cleanse your skin before you go to sleep. And these actually have been really surprisingly gentle, I'll say, on my skin. So that's pretty awesome. But you get 2 of these. So that's what's in the box. It's empty now. Whoops. Paper came out. But that's it. So that was the Healthy Living to Inside and Out box. Let's talk about our men's kit before I go to VBS. Yes. I don't know why I sing song things. It's just what I do. Knife safety. Okay. All right, wrapping off the plastic because this is how it comes in a nice little plastic. Ooh, sorry, it feels really like canvasy smooth, if that makes sense. So this bag is a navy blue kind of canvas material, but then you have some of that leather. I don't know if it's real leather, but that cognac, or it's like camel. It's not cognac, it's like a camel colored leather. Then of course you've got your little label, but on the back of the label it tells you what's inside. So see inside for product details. So I'm assuming they have more things to tell you what's inside. All right. So let's see, for these men, for the wash up, what was it? No, workout and wash up kit. So these are great Father's Day gifts. They're also really good anniversary gifts, which my husband, I might share some things with my husband. Might. Okay, this is the charcoal bar. This is actually what I want for myself. I'm super selfish. It is what it is. But I did get extra ones of these for other people. So just keep in mind, this is not my first workout kit. I just finally got one for me. But this is the charcoal bar. So if you guys know anything about charcoal, it just kind of soaks out any toxins or any products, metals, things like that does not belong on you or in you. So when you use this, like when you sweat and different things, the charcoal bar kind of absorbs all of that goodness. So, or badness, I should say, all that badness. So that's the charcoal bar. They also give you a Phytosport, a little box of complete hydration, which is basically, again, just a product that you put in your water. It's a powder, and you shake it up, and it's for complete hydration for before, during, and after. I did flag football for a little bit, and like 3 practices, I think. But the first day was pretty awful. My muscles were killing. The second day, I drank this before, during, and after, and my muscles were feeling amazing. They were feeling amazing. I was very surprised. And that's it. So that's, obviously they give you a little, make sure no bugs get in there. But the inside is this really pretty camel color. And so that's the Phytosport. It is really, that's the men's kit. It's really just the Phytosport and the bar. Okay, and you can add other things in there, like they have a men's line that you can always, if you want to spruce it up a little bit more, which I might do that for my dad. But that's it. That's pretty much the gist of our men's workout and wash up kit and the Healthy Living Inside and Out. So if you want to win some of these things, because I might give away a Healthy Living Inside and Out box to somebody who's following me along with my Summer Grit series, hey, just check out the comments, check out the links, and I can get you started on participating with us on how to build grit, but even more so, just how to live a healthy life inside and out. So thanks, guys. Have a good day.